Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to book flight on booking.com. So for you to be able to book a flight, you have to follow this simple guide and step for you to be able to book your flight. So for you to do that, visit the booking.com, then go to the website. After that, enter your travel details, which is your departure city, your destination, your traveling date, and your number of passenger. After that, select the flight, browse through the available flight, then select the one that suits your need. And after that, if you need accommodation, you can also book a hotel through the booking.com. Then enter the passenger details, fill in the passenger information for each travelers, then choose your preferred payment method and enter your payment details. Review your booking details and confirm your reservation. After that, you will receive a confirmation email with your flight details in your mail, and that is how you can book flight on ticket, or you can book flight tickets on booking.com. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow